Hi, I'm Michelle Huskins, and I'm the International Sales Coordinator here at Malco.
I'm Louis Vernon, Director of International Sales at Malco.
Today we're going to talk through some quick and easy methods for caring for your car's exterior. Let's get started. We all want to keep our cars clean, but it can be rather intimidating to know what to do, when, and how. Louis, walk us through some key exterior detailing steps that anyone can do at home.
When you do detailing, you always want to start with the dirtiest part of the car. The dirtiest part of the car is usually the engine bay. First, rinse your engine bay with clean water. Once it's all rinsed up, you can use a degreaser of your choice, and you're going to spray that degreaser in all the engine compartment. Once that degreaser is applied on the engine bay, you will just rinse with clean water. If the engine is really dirty, you might want to let it sit a little bit and then rinse with clean water, and you'll have a clean engine. So once your engine is clean, what you want to do is to protect it. To protect your engine, you're going to be using a dressing. You're going to spray the dressing evenly on a thin coat on all the engine compartment. Any excess should be removed, and then you just let it sit. Next, you want to use your chosen degreaser to clean the Wheelwell. The Wheelwell is a very overlooked area. It collects a lot of fallouts, dirt, salt, on anything from the road. So to clean this area, first rinse it with clean water, spray your degreaser, let it sit a little bit. If necessary, and most of the time it will be, you will want to agitate with a brush, and then you will rinse it out. So after degreasing your engine, your Wheelwell, you will want to do the door jamb and the hinges of your car. So to do that, you're going to use your degreaser at the correct dilution. When it's diluted correctly, you want to spray on those door jamb and hinges, let it sit a little bit, then rinse it off very nice. You don't want to leave any of the chemical sit and dry on the surface, so you want to wipe every excess of the paint on the surface with a nice clean microfiber. Next, you will want to clean the rim and tire. To do that, you're going to have to use a wheel and tire cleaner. And I would stay away of the acid-based one because they're very strong and can be hurting your wheel if not used properly. Another very cautious part you need to make sure you do is to never apply chemical on hot rims. So make sure your rim are cooled down before you apply it. When you're sure of all those, you can spray your wheel and tire cleaner on the wheel as well as on the tire. Let it sit as per the label. If the wheel is really dirty, you can use a brush and brush where it's needed, and then rinse it off. Make sure you don't leave any of that chemical on the surface, because if it dries on, it could mark your wheel. The next step is washing the car. To wash the car, you're going to use a car shampoo. You first rinse your car with clean water, and then you're going to use the 2-bucket method in order to clean the car. We're going to do the 2-bucket method in order not to move contaminant back into the car while you wash it.
Can you explain to me more this 2-bucket method?
So it's a very simple method. You just need 2 buckets. On each bucket, you're going to have a grit guard. 1 bucket will be only with clean water, and 1 bucket with water and your shampoo. What you're going to do is you're going to take your microfiber mitt into the shampoo one, wash your car top to bottom. When it comes the time your microfiber mitt doesn't have any more substance and shampoo, you're going to rinse it out into the clean water bucket to remove all the soil so you don't mix it and get it back on the car. Then you're going to plunge your microfiber mitt into the shampoo solution and go back.
That sounds easy enough. How do I protect my freshly cleaned car?
Protect your car, it's fairly easy. What you're gonna need is either spray wax, a wax, or a coating. Most of the time, what you want to do is doing panel per panel application, spraying, and use a soft microfiber, wipe it off, buff it off, and move to the next panel. Once you've done all the car, your car will be fully protected. Last step will be to dress your tire. You're going to use a dressing, and you're going to either apply it with a spray bottle or with an applicator. Apply it evenly on all the surfaces of the tires, and make sure there is no excess and it's fully dry before the car moves to avoid slinging.
Thank you for explaining all the steps to cleaning the exterior of your car.
If you can follow the step to keeping your car clean, you will extend the life of your exterior surface. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out our video on cleaning and caring for the interior of your car.